Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Trader Joe for token swaps on Avalanche, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Trader Joe website. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing risks. Connect your wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button on the top right corner. Choose your preferred wallet from the list provided. If using MetaMask, ensure it is installed and logged in. Select the Avalanche network in your wallet if it's not already set. Once your wallet is connected, look for the swap feature on the Trader Joe interface. Choose the token you want to swap from the drop-down menu. Next, select the token you wish to receive in exchange. Enter the amount of the first token you want to swap. Trader Joe will automatically calculate the equivalent amount of the second token. Review the details of your swap carefully. Make sure to check the slippage tolerance and adjust it if needed. Once satisfied, click the swap button to initiate the transaction. A confirmation window will pop up displaying the transaction details. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the Avalanche network. Once complete, you will receive the new token in your wallet. You can view your token balance by navigating to your wallet. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Trader Joe for token swaps on Avalanche. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.